heightened tension in Rivers State over the worsening rift between Governor Simenilaye Fubara and the immediate past governor, Nyesom Wike. The situation climaxed Sunday when reports emerged that there are plans to illegally impeach the governor. There had been rumours of a disaffection between Governor Fubara and Wike, now the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. An impeccable source at Government House in Port Harcourt said that since becoming governor, Mr. Fubara has refrained from taking actions that could damage his association with Wike. The source told SYMFONI News that the former governor approved most of the appointments made in the new administration. Pleading anonymity, the source said Wike, who has refused to let go of power despite serving for 8 uninterrupted years, is closely watching Fubara's financial dealings. The governor cannot sign out 50 million naira except it is tied to a project. The former governor still gives directives to commissioners to counter the governor's orders. The governor has not travelled outside of the state, either on official assignment or for informal functions, because the state-owned private jet is not available for his use. Some political appointees single-handedly picked by the former governor are monitoring him closely, the source said. Already, signatures are being collected from the State House of Assembly members clandestinely to meet the mandatory number required for the impeachment of a governor in Nigeria. Meanwhile, leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Edison Ehie, and a few other members of the Assembly are resisting the planned impeachment plot. On Sunday night, suspected thugs attacked the State Assembly complex, burning a part of the edifice. To avert a possible breakdown of law and order, the police have mobilized armored personnel carriers and armed operatives to the State Assembly complex. Meanwhile, a rights group known as Coalition of Democratic Vanguard, a unified group of concerned citizens dedicated to upholding democratic values, is issuing a strong warning to Chief Nyesom Wike and his allies, who are allegedly seeking to impeach Governor Fubara and Right Honourable Edison Ehie, the leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The coalition condemns any attempt to undermine the democratic process and urges all parties involved to respect the will of the people and prioritize the betterment of Rivers State.